So here we have the Gold Leaf Tough Touch gardening glove. Now again, there's a bit of a clue in the name. Very, very soft, very supple, like all of the Gold Leaf gardening gloves, but an incredibly tough glove. And this is designed specifically for any gardening that involves rose thorns, or even pyracantha, or hedging, or anything where there are any kind of sharp objects in the garden that you fear might scratch or hurt the hand. The benefit of this glove is that it has leather all the way around, that offers full protection, but you also have the additional benefit of this soft, comfortable cuff, which protects against scratches. Now, if I just demonstrate on the cuff, particularly vicious rose thorns here, and obviously you get protection up the palm. But what is really, really interesting about this glove is you can see they're very sharp thorns, but if I just literally grab hold of them like that, I just feel like I'm holding a stick. Can't feel the thorns at all. And in fact, to really demonstrate, we can rake the glove down here. And as you can see, a few marks on the glove, but none of the thorns have actually penetrated the glove. So what you've got is a protection with terrific amounts of dexterity and feel. So you can delve into those rose bushes or anything else that's quite sharp, grab hold of things and still feel what you're doing and rip them out. So a really soft, supple, protective glove, and that's really what makes this unique. The extra feel and comfort that you get from this. Again, a very close fitting glove, but terrific dexterity. In fact, many English professional rose growers now use the Gold Leaf Tough Touch gardening glove when they're pruning their roses.